I grew up in a small coastal town in Massachusetts where my father had a large workshop. We would repair and restore household items and fix our cars. I especially enjoyed making items in the wood shop that would frequently end up as Christmas gifts for my family. That same love for hands-on activities is what drew me to my career path and life's work. Hi, I'm Dr. Anthony Ware, an orthopedic surgeon with Orlando Health. I love being able to restore form and function and get people back to activity. I'm a little bit more on the conservative side. I never try to rush a patient into surgery. I always want to make sure you've tried everything else before we go that route. But when surgery is the right answer, I'll be direct about that too. Whether it's joint replacements, hand surgery, or fracture care. My goal is to get you back to doing the things you love. We're a small, friendly office where we always run on time. Your time is important. I believe you deserve to be seen on time and treated correctly. And that's exactly what we always strive to do. I'll make sure you understand your options clearly. My goal is that you leave feeling informed and confident about what comes next.